Hi Paseo Hills family, this is Stephanie Flores. This is just a quick video to help you understand how to sign up for this in case you're not really sure. So I'm starting from the email I emailed myself, the same welcome email that you just got. Scrolling down to the bottom, I'm going to click the red sign up button, and that's going to take me to the Sign Up Genius website. So if you scroll down here, you'll see this is the Paseo Hills K-3 DIBELS testing. This little note here lets you know if you have more than one child in the kindergarten through third grade at Paseo Hills, each child is going to need their own specific time. So you'll need to sign up multiple times if you have more than one K-3 student. So looking down at the sign up sheet, there's two ways to view it. This is what's called the list view. Over here is the day, so this is Tuesday, August 4th. That's the first day that testing will be available. So you can see all of the times for August 4th right here. And if you continue, then you'll see August 5th here. If you would rather look at all the days available, you can click Calendar View, and that shows you the calendar dates available. Right now we only have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the following Monday. So for now you'll have to pick one of those dates. If one of those doesn't work for you, definitely let me know. I'm going to go back to list view so that I can show you. So this little number next to the time slot lets you know how many slots are available. So for example, if you had two third graders in your house, both of them could sign up for this because there are two slots still available. For the 9 o'clock slot, someone else has already signed up for this, so there's only one out of these two slots still available. You'll also see underneath each slot it tells you who can sign up for that slot. That is because other students are supposed to be in live Zoom meetings with their teachers during those times. If your child is one of our Deer Valley Online Academy students, then you don't need to worry as much about those criteria. But during those times, for example, this kinder students is because only first, second, and third graders are already in a meeting with their teachers. So only kindergarten students shouldn't be in a meeting with their teachers during this time. If you have some sort of conflict with the scheduling, please definitely let me know. So this is just to show you an example of where you could sign up. So if I wanted to sign up for Wednesday at 9:15, this is only available to third graders, so I will say I'm a third grader. First you check the box, then you need to go down to the bottom here and click submit and sign up. This is where you're going to do the actual signing up. If you have a comment for me, definitely let me know right here, otherwise you can leave that blank. Name, this is going to be your student name. So I'm going to call my student Sally Sample, and then I will put my email address in here. Down to the bottom, you need to put your teacher's name in here. So this is third grade, so I'm going to say that this is Mrs. Reed's class. So I'll just type Reed and third grade, and then click sign up now. You are only signing up for the time. You're not creating an account. You're not giving your information to the website or anything like that. Go ahead and click sign up now. Then you'll get a confirmation. You'll also get a custom confirmation email that gives you more directions on what to do when it's time, and you can choose kind of what you want to do from there. If you ever need to contact me, you'll see this button that will email me directly. You don't even have to use your email program in order to do it. You can just click that button and it will open up a messaging system for me. And you'll see that on several emails and things like that. Feel free to contact me if you are still struggling or have any questions.